Welcome to Therapeutic Times. Our magazine is a quarterly magazine dedicated to promoting a more natural, therapeutic, and sustainable way of life. Therapeutic Times brings to you various experts, light-filled, love-centered experts in the natural and spiritual worlds to offer help and support for all walks of life wherever they are on their particular life journey. We do that by bringing to you herbs and gardening tips, crystals, Reiki, yoga. Not only do we bring you the information, but we form as a resource central. If you go onto our website, www.therapeuticthymes.com, Times is spelled like the herb, and go to our resource directory, we offer a variety of different holistic healers, other business people, all great resources for you to help in your time of need. You can go on to our website and subscribe today. Again, that's therapeuticthymes.com. We are an accredited member of the Better Business Bureau. We're a United Plant Savers member and a member of the Holistic Chamber of Commerce. So do come, grab a cup of tea, sit a spell with us, and become part of our bigger community. Stay safe.